Why is it hard to fly using instruments at first? One limitation to your sense of balance is seen when you are accelerating very slowly or when you accelerated briefly and have now stopped. When the video of merry-go-round is playing, it explains the condition of your inner ear and your sense of balance. Why flight instruments important? 1. To enable the aircraft fly through the bad weather conditions and at night. 2. To ensure safety and reliable of operations. The first aircraft instruments is fuel and oil pressure instruments to warn of engine trouble so that the aircraft could be landed before engine failed. As aircraft could fly over considerable distance, weather became a problem. Instrument systems were developed to fly through bad weather conditions. Speed, distance, altitude, direction, temperature, and pressure are measured, and the measurements are displayed on display panel in the cockpit. 3. To give any early warning about any failure of aircraft system or part so that the pilot could take immediate action. Flight instruments are usually grouped in a certain way and positioned directly in front of the pilot, taking the most dominant part of the instrument panel. On modern aircraft, the indication of individual flight instruments is integrated on one screen, so-called primary flight display. 6 basic instruments: airspeed indicator, altitude indicator, altimeter, turn indicator, heading indicator, vertical speed indicator. Altimeter give the aircraft height, usually in feet or meters, above some reference level, usually sea level, by measuring the local air pressure. It is adjustable for local barometric pressure, reference to sea level, which must be set correctly to obtain accurate altitude readings. Airspeed indicator, or ASI, is an instrument that provides information on the horizon speed of the aircraft in reference to surrounding air, not the ground. Since the factor has very big influence on the lift created by the wings, these instruments and indication has great importance for the safety of flight. Vertical speed indicator. The vertical speed indicator, or VSI, measures the rate of change in static air pressure and converts the information to feet per minute. The dials informs the pilot how many feet per minute the aircraft is climbing or descending. Altitude indicator works uses a gyroscope mounted inside the instrument case. Gyroscope is a device used to provide stability or maintain a fixed orientation. The gyro rotates in the horizontal plane in relation to a horizon. This happens as the aircraft banks, climbs, and descends. Altitude indicator example. Five, heading indicator to display aircraft heading or direction with respect to Earth magnetic north, also called directional gyro or gyro compass. Use the gyroscope. When the aircraft turns, the needle indicates which direction it is heading. Measured in degrees: 0 degree north, 90 degree west, 180 south, and 270 degree east. 6. Turn indicator. How to turn coordinator works. A gyro is mounted at a 30-degree angle inside the instrument case. As the aircraft turns, applied forces cause the gyro to spin and rotate. As this happens, the small plane on the instrument face indicates pan.